Today I'm going to show you an Ambassador Suite swim-up room at the TRS Coral Hotel in Costa Mujeres, Mexico. This is room 2046. It's in building 2. We stayed here for 7 days in September 2019. You can see that you enter your room through your wristband. The key card is on your wristband, so you don't have to keep up with an actual key card. First enter the room. There is a little half bath on the right side, and then lots of storage closet space on the left. You have this bar area that has all of the liquor. You can request before you arrive to the hotel with what specific liquor that you want. And you walk into this separate lounge area. It has its own TV. It's separated from the bedroom with this sliding door. And then out of the lounge area is the first sliding balcony doors that take you to the patio area that goes into your swim-up pool. What I love about the Ambassador swim-up room, this one is located on the very end of building 2, facing the TRS adults only pool, and so the swim-up pool area feels a lot bigger because you're on that end cap instead of being like in the middle swim-up. The Ambassador Suite, you have more like a double outside patio balcony area, so it's a lot bigger than just the Junior Suite swim-up. You have a really good ocean view on the end, and then looking out you see the TRS adults only pool, and then we're facing building 1 that's on the other side of the pool. You have a jacuzzi tub outside on the outdoor patio, and I'm going to go back into the bedroom area. So you have 2 separate sliding doors that go outside to your patio. In the bedroom area you also have another TV that faces the bed, and there's a little bit kind of smaller couch as well. And then you walk into the bathroom. It has another tub and double sinks. And then you have another closet area to hang more clothes, and drawers on 2 different sides of the closet, and then your safe up above the drawers on that end. And in the shower, it's a walk-in shower with a rainhead shower head. I believe the TRS Coral Hotel opened up around November 2018, so you can see a lot of the decor and furniture is real modern and new and up to date. There's lots of space in the Ambassador Suite, as you can tell, the extra living area and the double balconies. Here's another view of the patio early in the morning. When I'm on vacation, I tend to wake up really early and watch the sunrise, and so that's what this is. It's such a gorgeous view, seeing the sunrise in the mornings come up over the ocean, looking over the swim-up pool area. It's a gorgeous room. It's a gorgeous hotel. I plan on uploading more footage of the hotel grounds and the amenities and the different pool areas. We have stayed a lot of times at different Grand Palladium hotels. Most of our stays have been at the Grand Palladium Riviera Maya, including the TRS Yucatan Hotel there as well. So if you have any questions about TRS hotels, leave me a comment below and I'll answer any questions that you have. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel videos. Thanks, and see y'all next time.